Are you struggling to understand the critical role data plays in artificial intelligence and how it impacts our world? Let's dive into the fascinating realm of data-driven AI and uncover its power, potential, and ethical implications. Data is the lifeblood of artificial intelligence. Without it, AI systems would be nothing more than empty shells, incapable of learning or making decisions. Think of an automobile engine which needs fuel to power it on. Similarly, data is the fuel which gives power to the engine of AI. Data provides the raw material from which AI can extract patterns, insights, and knowledge. But how exactly does data fuel AI models? At its core, AI relies on vast amounts of information to learn and improve its performance. Machine learning algorithms, which are a subset of artificial intelligence, use data to train themselves. They identify patterns and relationships that humans might miss. The more high-quality data an AI system has access to, the better it can perform its designated tasks. For example, consider a computer vision system, which is designed to recognize objects and images. If you would like to know more about computer vision, visit our YouTube channel for a detailed video on computer vision. Now, for computer vision to function effectively, this system needs to be exposed to thousands, if not millions, of labeled images. Each image serves as a data point, teaching the AI what various objects look like from different angles, in different lighting conditions, and with various backgrounds. As the system processes more images, it becomes increasingly adept at identifying objects accurately. Similarly, natural language processing models require enormous amounts of text data to understand and generate human-like language. These models analyze vast corpora of written material, learning the intricacies of grammar, syntax, and context. The result is AI systems that can translate languages, answer questions, and even engage in human-like conversations. But data doesn't just fuel AI models during the initial training phase. Many AI systems continue to learn and adapt as they encounter new data in real-world applications. This ongoing learning process, known as online learning or incremental learning, allows AI to stay current and improve its performance over time. Now that we recognize the significance of data in artificial intelligence, let's explore the fundamental process of data collection and preparation. Collecting good quality data is a critical first step in building effective AI systems. There are various techniques for collecting data, each with its own advantages and challenges. One common method is web scraping, where automated tools extract information from websites. This technique can quickly amass large amounts of data but may raise ethical and legal concerns regarding data ownership and privacy. Another approach is crowdsourcing, where individuals contribute data voluntarily. This method can be particularly useful for tasks that require human judgment, such as labeling images or providing subjective opinions. Sensors and IoT devices offer another rich source of data, particularly for applications in fields like manufacturing, healthcare, and smart cities. These devices can constantly collect real-time data on everything from temperature and humidity to energy consumption and traffic patterns. In some cases, organizations may purchase or license data from third-party providers. While this can be a quick way to acquire large data sets, it's crucial to verify the quality and provenance of the data. Once data has been gathered, it must be appropriately prepared for use in AI models. This process, often called data pre-processing or data cleaning, is vital for ensuring the quality and reliability of the final AI system. Raw data is often messy, containing errors, inconsistencies, and irrelevant information that can negatively impact an AI model's performance. Data cleaning involves several steps. First, missing or incomplete data must be addressed. Depending on the situation, missing values might be filled in using statistical techniques, or the entire data point might be removed. Next, outliers and anomalies need to be identified and handled appropriately. While some outliers may represent genuine rare events, others might be the result of measurement errors or data corruption. Standardization and normalization are also important pre-processing steps. These techniques ensure that all data is on a similar scale, preventing certain features from dominating the learning process simply because they're measured in larger units. Another crucial aspect of data preparation is feature engineering. This involves creating new features or transforming existing ones to better represent the underlying patterns in the data. Skilled data scientists can often dramatically improve an AI model's performance through clever feature engineering. Data augmentation is another powerful technique, particularly in fields like computer vision and speech recognition. By applying transformations to existing data, such as rotating or flipping images, we can effectively increase the size of our dataset and help our models generalize better to new situations. It's worth noting that data preparation is often an iterative process. As AI models are developed and tested, new insights may emerge about the data, leading to further refinement of the pre-processing steps. Now let's delve into a critical aspect of AI development that's often overlooked: ethical data usage. As AI systems become increasingly integrated into our daily lives, making decisions that affect everything from our social media feeds to our credit scores, it's crucial that we understand and address the ethical implications of the data we use to train these systems. One of the most pressing concerns is bias in AI systems. Bias can creep into AI models in various ways, but one of the most common sources is biased training data. If an AI system is trained on data that reflects historical inequalities or prejudices, it may perpetuate or even amplify these biases in its decisions. For example, a hiring AI trained on historical employment data might learn to discriminate against certain groups if those groups were underrepresented in past hiring decisions. Similarly, facial recognition systems have been shown to perform less accurately for people of color and women, likely due to underrepresentation in training datasets. To combat these issues, it's crucial to carefully examine our training data for potential biases. This might involve analyzing the demographic representation in our data sets or using statistical techniques to identify and correct for biased patterns. In some cases, it may be necessary to actively seek out more diverse and representative data sources. Another ethical consideration is data privacy. The substantial amount of data needed for AI systems often includes sensitive personal information. It's essential to handle this data responsibly, respecting individuals' privacy rights and complying with data protection regulations like GDPR. Techniques like differential privacy and data anonymization can help safeguard individual privacy while still allowing for useful insights to be obtained from the data. However, it's important to note that even anonymized data can sometimes be re-identified when combined with other data sources, so caution is always necessary. Transparency and explainability are also crucial ethical considerations in AI. As AI systems make increasingly important decisions, it's vital that we can understand and explain how these decisions are made. This is particularly important in fields like healthcare and criminal justice, where AI decisions can have life-altering consequences. Many present AI systems, like deep learning models, are often described as black boxes due to their complexity. Efforts are ongoing to develop more interpretable AI models and to create tools for explaining AI decisions. This not only helps with ethical concerns, but can also build trust in AI systems and aid in debugging and improving them. Another important ethical consideration is the environmental impact of AI. Training large AI models requires significant computational resources, which in turn consume large amounts of energy. As we develop more powerful AI systems, we must also consider ways to make them more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. It's also crucial to consider the broader societal impacts of AI systems. AI has the capability to solve many challenges which humans are facing today. At the same time, AI could also aggravate existing inequalities if not developed and deployed thoughtfully and responsibly. For instance, AI-driven automation could lead to job displacement in certain sectors. It's important to consider these potential impacts and work towards solutions that ensure the benefits of AI are shared broadly across society. Ethical considerations should be integrated into every stage of the AI development process, from data collection and preparation to model development and deployment. This requires ongoing dialogue between AI practitioners, ethicists, policymakers, and the broader public. Many organizations are now developing AI ethics guidelines and establishing ethics review boards to help navigate these complex issues. However, it's important to note that ethical AI is not just about following a set of rules. It requires constant reflection, discussion, and a commitment to continuous improvement. As we've seen, data plays a crucial role in AI, fueling the models that are reshaping our world. From the initial stages of data collection and preparation to the ethical considerations that must guide our use of AI, Every step of the process is vital to creating AI systems that are not only influential, but also transparent, fair, and beneficial to society. The field of AI is evolving rapidly, and with it, our understanding of how to best harness the power of data. As we move forward, it's crucial that we continue to refine our techniques for data collection and preparation, always striving for higher quality and more representative data sets. At the same time, we must remain vigilant about the ethical implications of our work. By carefully considering issues like bias, privacy, and transparency, we can help ensure that AI systems enhance rather than undermine human values and societal well-being. The journey of AI is just beginning, and the role of data in this journey cannot be overstated. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, we must always remember that the quality and ethical use of our data will largely determine the quality and ethical behavior of our AI systems. In conclusion, data is not just a resource for AI, it's a responsibility. How we collect, prepare, and use data will shape the future of AI and, by extension, the future of our society. As we stand on the brink of an AI-driven future, we have the opportunity and the obligation to ensure that this future is one we're proud to create. The potential of AI is vast, but realizing this potential requires a deep understanding of the data that drives it. From the intricate process of data collection and preparation to the vital considerations of ethical data usage, every aspect of data in AI deserves our attention and care. As we move forward in this data-driven age, let's commit to using data not just effectively but responsibly. Let's strive to create AI systems that are not only powerful and efficient, but also fair, transparent, and aligned with human values. The future of AI, and indeed our future, depends on how we handle the data that fuels it. Take the first step today. Educate yourself about the role of data in AI and start advocating for ethical data practices in your organization or community. By doing so, you'll be contributing to a future where AI truly serves humanity's best interests.
Thank you for watching. Join us for engaging topics, clear and concise explainers, and tutorials that will help you navigate the complexities of AI responsibly. Whether you're a user of AI tool, a project manager, AI model developer, a business leader, social media content developer, a policymaker, or just someone curious about the impact of AI, Responsible AI YouTube channel has something for you. We'll break down complex topics into easy-to-understand content, ensuring you stay informed and ahead of the curve. We also believe in the power of community. Your questions, comments, and feedback are what make this journey exciting. So, don't hesitate to join the conversation and share your thoughts with us. Are you ready to embark on this journey towards a more ethical and responsible AI future? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, let's shape the future of AI responsibly.